to our channel Linux Lab. Okay, so here I'll be showing an advanced copy command which is on Linux comes very handy whenever we use regularly transfer files from here to there, and the copy command doesn't give you statics, so it is normally dumb terminal, and so for that you will be using advanced copy, and it is normally we'll use alias here for this very purpose for making rsync as a normal cp command replacement. Okay, now let's make a test structure over here on the screen. I'll be making a directory acp test. I'll be calling my command acp advanced copy. So under acp we'll be making two directories. Let's readme make directory source and target. Under the source directory, now let's make a new file under this source directory. Okay, so I'll be using dev random device as my input, and I'll be redirecting it to the test file, and we'll wait here for some time so that we'll have some little bigger size of file, around 20 or 26 MB. Okay, now let's check the file which we have just created. Okay, so I'll see, oh yeah, it is there, test file is there. Now I'll check the size of the file. Yeah, it is 26 MB file. Okay, no issue. Let's first try the normal vanilla cp command. I'm giving the verbose flag, so no statics, just file transfer or not. I just, so it is worry because sometimes for smaller files it seems okay, but for the bigger files it's a problem because you're waiting and again coming back on the terminal and nothing, you don't know how much time it is going to take. So it's very worrying task for administrator who has to move the files regularly from here to there, and all the syntax for rsync command you to remember and then fire it, then it's a bit. So I'll be using alias here for the simplification. So my solution, I'll be making alias into /rc. It's very simple guys, but for the easiness and making it handy and remember it, I'm covering it little in detail. Okay, now we'll use our advanced copy command, which we're calling here acp, and the syntax will be same. I'll just first delete the file in the target. So I'll be using acp source target. So I think it's going to sync because now here you don't need to give full file name because I'm syncing full directory. So yeah, wow, that's the statistics. Okay, so it was basically a bulletproof solution which is basically depending on the underlying integrity checks of your rsync command, which is based on some checksum. Basically MD5 was CRC32. Yeah, so it is good because you're not losing anything, and the chances of corruptions are also less. Okay, so it is based on rsync, remember that. So it is nothing new, it is just alias of rsync to make it handy for you guys. So but you have to make it permanent because during the boots alias doesn't survive, so I had to append it to the /rc file of that particular user. If you want for a single user or for your own user, if you want to add for the system wide, then you can add into etc profile. Okay, so here I am just appending it to /rc of my user. So this is the append syntax, and here it will go /rc. Okay, fine. So now I source that file /rc in my environment. Okay, fine. Now I'll exit from this terminal, and I'll re-log in. Yeah, I'll just open a new terminal. So see, when I used SCP, it dumped the async syntax. This is what this is show that this is working. So SCP is working on your system. So nothing has to be done more. So enjoy this. Okay, and thank you. Like and subscribe.